This is unacceptable. Oh, man. Much better. Let's roll. Well, I'm at the gas station. Stopped to get some gas because I'm running pretty low. And I go to pay for it and everything, and I don't have my wallet on me. So this is embarrassing. What? I don't even know what to do right now. I'm gonna try and call somebody. Come help me out.
I got Elsa.
You got Elsa hair? Yeah, so this is how I'm starting my day. Hopefully yours is going a little better. I'll let you know what happens. Somebody saved the day. We're getting gas. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a good day. Got gas.
Juice?
And obviously the juice, the favorite monster.
I got juice.
You got juice?
Yeah.
Alright. We're ready to get this day on the road. Right away. Picked up a rat to feed my snake. My ball python. And then I got a mouse in here for my corn snake. Gotta feed the snakes. It is what it is. Circle of life. Lion King. Circle of life. Right? I didn't show the strike, but they're eating. She's got her mouse. She's got her rat. Going down. Circle of life. Gotta feed the rats to the snakes. Gotta feed the mice to the snakes. They eat them in the wild, as well as bugs, birds, chickens, whatever they can get, whatever they can find. Just feeding the snakes right now. Still pretty early in the day. Let's see what else we can get into. We'll figure something out. Might end up having a little get together later on tonight, this afternoon, whatever. I don't know. We'll see what we can do. All right, well, got to looking outside and my grass needs cut, so we're gonna cut some grass real quick, and after that, let's get into something. Let's do something. Or not. I don't know, we'll see. Getting ready to work on the back. I've already did a couple laps around. I'm just gonna film a quick little segment of me cutting grass. Let's get this work in. Let's go, guys. Alright, backyard is done. I know all my dads out there like this video. I know you're watching. Freshly cut grass. What's up? Alright, let's put everything up. Continue on with our day. Once again, this is unacceptable. We're gonna change this. Oh man, I can get used to this. Oh, wait a second. A little rusty, got practice. Oh, wow. There we go. Shush. Think I might try and have a fire again. I had one a few weeks back, a month ago, whatever. Fire department came. I haven't really had one since. Had a little one, but nothing too crazy. Boss, say what's up, old man. Say what's up, you old man. It's my boy. And you got this little guy, Princeton. He's alright, I guess. He's alright. Needs a haircut. Buddies. Grass looks good, don't it? Oh yeah. Well, you guys have seen my day pretty much. It was pretty eventful. Went to the gas station, forgot my wallet. It was pretty interesting. Went and got a mouse and rat from a snake. Stopped at the store, grabbed some stuff to cook some breakfast. Took a nap, rode the bike, and now I'm just chilling. Don't know if I'm gonna get into anything else tonight. Got some things going on to where I've been invited to go out and I've been invited to go camping. I've been invited to a bachelor party. You know, those things would be pretty cool to film, go out and do, but we got some things going on right now that, you know, I have to be around. I have to be close by to the house and stuff in case something happens. So probably just gonna call it a night and just chill here at the house. Yep, that's my day so far. I think it's about, let's see. Yeah, it's 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock right now, so I'm probably not gonna do too much of anything else. Might watch a movie with the kiddos or something. Watch some TV with them till it's bedtime and call it a night. Hope y'all liked the video. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep putting stuff out there unless y'all comment and let me know what you want to see in the videos. You know, I'll try and do the best I can, whatever it is you want to see me do, or whatever. If you want like I don't know. I'm just posting my everyday life right now, just chilling, hanging out. Hope y'all had a good day. Hope it was an eventful day. Hopefully it was a safe day. And let's keep it rolling. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.